Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll go over how to screenshot on Android in two different ways. So, just for some context, I'm currently on the Galaxy S23 FE. However, this method should work on most phones that have touchscreen availability without a actual physical home button. And as you can see here, there is the hollow version down there, and phones with the Google Assistant app. So, to get started, the first way to screenshot is what you want to do is press the volume button and the power button at the exact same time. If you do that, you will see a flash and that a screenshot will pop up there. Now, if you want to edit the pop-up, you can simply just go to your pictures and you will see the image there. The other way is that you can use Google Assistant. Now, if you do not have Google Assistant set up, you can search for it in your settings or download the app as well. Now, if you have it set up like me for voice commands, all you would need to do is say, "Hey Google, take a screenshot," and then it'll take a screenshot. Now, if this video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.